Hey everyone, welcome. This is Kelly with Spirit Butterflies, and I am here to do the February Mindful Souls box opening for you. So I haven't even opened it yet, but I'm excited because it does say it's to open up the world of inner peace and self-love, which we all could use some of that right now. So let's see what's inside. And if my scissors would work here. All right. So when you get your subscription box, first of all, they always have this card in them, right? And on the back, it tells you what's included with it. And I kind of had a feeling it would have something with the moon in it for this month, but wasn't sure. But wow, this one has some amazing things. So let's start off. Ooh, the affirmation of ownership. It says I can pick and choose what I want to do. I love these, and I use these in readings when I do my tarot readings and stuff. So I'm gonna put that here. Very cool. They also give you a cute little sticker, and I always put these on my journaling things. Like I just got this new one to start a new journal, and I think it'll look pretty cool on there. And I love white tigers, so put it on here. Good thing to use it for. You can put it on your laptop, you can put it pretty much anywhere. All right, so let's see. Well, the first thing, definitely we have some sage, the white sage, which is always good. Does clear away all energies. So if you want the good energies to stay, I don't sage as much as if it's something new or someplace I've never been and I don't know what's there, then I'll sage and sage a lot. But let's see what they have to say about it. So sage is a plant whose scent is revered for the ability to purify, protect, and elevate space. With clear intentions established, use a white sage smudge stick to open the mind up for forgiveness, compromise, and other stages of emotional progress. Burning sage or smudging can have a significant impact when used after an argument, after an illness, before and after parties, after an intense workout, prior to meditation, when moving into a new space, and during periods of grieving. The smoke from the dried sage actually changes the ionic composition of the air and can have a direct effect on reducing our stress. Learned something new about it. Didn't really think about it as stress. Ooh, beautiful. Generator. Look at this clear quartz generator. This is beautiful. I don't know if you guys can really see really good here, but look at it. Oh my God. I have a generator. However, it's not this big, but it's the chakra one. So now I have a clear quartz generator. Loving it. So let's see what it has to say about that. Having an energy generator crystal in your space will help to clear out negative energies, giving you peace of mind during your daily life. These generators raise the energy from the earth to the sky and can bring universal light and knowledge into your space. It's a great tool for meditation, healing, and general support, and can also be used to charge other crystals. Clear quartz is a master healer crystal, and it amplifies the energy of crystals it is placed near. Place energy generators in your home or workspace to protect, activate, and transmute energy. Amazing. I do have a lot of clear quartz around my place and at my work. So, we got a sphere. And I don't have a sphere of this, so I'm excited about this one. Oh wait, this isn't the sphere. Let me back up. Whoa, this is the huge and would be very costly, expensive, just like this generator. So these two things alone are more worth the box. So worth it. This is moss agate, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to really do it justice with here. So if you can see that, has a little druzy in it. I don't know if you can see that there. But this is beautiful, and I love this side of it. That really gives you the moss agate look. So moss agate carries a strong connection with nature, mending its healing and nurturing energy to you, teaches us to appreciate and enjoy each moment we have with the earth, helping us to set an intention for healing the planet. Associated with the heart chakra, moss agate also helps facilitate the release of old habits and fears to inspire growth. Beautiful. I love it. I love it. Love it. And that is amazing. So that wasn't the one I thought, but I am ecstatic. All right, let's see what the next one is that we have. It's all about the self-love, remember, and inner peace. So, we got a very pretty rose quartz bracelet, and we'll see if I can't show you all here. Very pretty rose quartz. And on it, so cute. Says, thinking of self-care as a necessity rather than a luxury that you don't have time for will set you up for a happier and healthier life. Self-care is all about making time to nurture yourself and loving yourself unconditionally. Bless yourself with compassion by connecting to the rose quartz energy of the bracelet. Rose quartz brings the focus of how strong and powerful you are, regardless of what is happening with your body. It begs you to love yourself at every stage. So cute. And I think this is a elephant on it. So, but very pretty. Love the shade of the pink for the rose quartz. Very pretty. All right. And let's see what else. Oh, and you all, if you don't have already, you all know I'm a huge moon fan. And we got a beautiful, it's a yellow apatite on a crescent moon. If you can see that. Very pretty. And it says, the waning crescent moon symbolizes the end of the old cycle, the start of approaching new one. Detach yourself from the world and rest. It is a time to think things over and contemplate the things you should let go. Apatite is a dual action stone, known for its positive use of personal power to achieve goals. It clears away confusion, apathy, or negativity, then stimulates the intellect to expand knowledge and truth, which may be used for personal growth or for the collective good. It is a stone of manifestation, promoting a humanitarian outlook and service to others. Oh, beautiful. And I just love that it's a moon. Love it. And the moon tonight, by the way, guys, was beautiful. I put some photos on TikTok and my Facebook for my spirit butterflies. If you want to see it, was like literally above my house. So cool. All right, so now I think we're getting to the sphere, which is a tiger's eye sphere. Ooh, it's really cool. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can really see the different shades. You can really see the tiger's eye part there. Can you see that pretty good? It's really pretty. As we all know, though, that when fear enters our decision-making process, our choices get skewed, to see the path ahead clearly. Improve your foresight with a tiger's eye sphere. Tiger's eye's healing properties protect us from seeing the worst in ourselves. Instead, tiger's eye's healing energy blesses the third eye with confidence, courage, strength, and harmony, so that our perspective isn't tinted by self-doubt or insecurities. To activate your crystal, sit quietly, holding your crystal in both hands. Breathe in the highest white light and visualize your intention for your crystal. As always, the nice thing is on their cards at the bottom, they do tell you about making sure how important it is to cleanse and energize your crystals as soon as you obtain them. Allow the crystals to sit under the cool running water if they are water able. Some are not. And then also you can use the moon. And the full moon is one of the best. So again, tiger's eye. So there we have it. The month of February's box. Beautiful. Everything in it. Love it. And I would highly recommend, and I know for your first box, when you order, you do get a discount off at Mindful Souls. So go check them out. I think you'll love it. Every month is full racked of crystals, different kinds every month, and I cannot say enough. Especially if you love crystals, this is the box for you. Thanks, guys. Love and light to you. Have a good evening and a happy full moon.